Second problem on projectile on inclined plane. Problem statement. A plane has a rise 5 and 12. Plane slope is given 5 and 12. A stone is fired with velocity 200 meter per second at angle of 30 degree to the horizontal. Angle is given with the horizontal again. Find the range on the plane if stone is fired up in the plane and the stone is fired down the plane. So we'll consider first case when stone is fired up in the plane. So slope is given in the problem 5 by 12. We'll convert into the degree using tan relation. Tan theta is equal to opposite is 5, adjacent is 12. So we'll get angle of plane as 22.62 degree. So this angle we have will obtain as a 22.62. Now angle of velocity is given 30 degree with the horizontal. So this total angle is 30 degree. We need this angle as an angle of projection, angle made by the velocity with the inclined plane. So to find out this alpha, that is equal to 30 minus 22.62. We want this angle only. So 30 minus 22.62 is equal to 10.38. Theta is 22.62. It is up in the plane, so written with the plus sign. You can write this sign or not, but only write down 22.62. Now using our formula, we'll put the values. So alpha is 10.38, velocity is this, g is not given, so taken 9.81. Angle of plane is 22.62, then cos alpha plus theta. So alpha is 10.32 and theta is 22.62. We'll get a range is equal to 1493 meter. Now in second case, stone is fired down the plane. So now stone is fired from B point to A. So this is the velocity, and you know this angle is 22.62. So this angle, opposite angle, will be 22.62. The angle made by the velocity with the horizontal is given in the problem statement, and that is equal to 30. Now what will be the value of alpha? So alpha will be this total angle made by the velocity with the inclined plane. So for that we have to add up these two angles. So alpha is equal to 30 plus 22.62 equal to 52.62. Theta is equal to minus 22.62. Why? Because the projectile is fired down the plane, so it is below the datum, so it is a down the plane. Now we'll use our formula, 2u square sin alpha upon g cos square theta cos into cos alpha plus theta. So 200 was the initial velocity. Alpha angle we have found out 52.62. Then 9.81 cos square. Now this will be with minus sign because it is theta is with the down the plane, and substituting cos alpha plus theta, alpha, but theta is minus because down the plane, we'll get the range value of 6586 meter. So just observe the difference. This was against the gravity up in the plane, so the range was 1493. This was towards the gravity down the plane, so range is increased and range is 6586 meter.